Don't you turn back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This moonlight's my destiny. She said shut up and dance with me.
And now, Charming Princess 2025 is you! Candidate number... Maraming salamat, Bicolanos Livelihood Cooperative. Thank you
So
sa
much.
pag-invite at sa pag-organize.
At sa ating mga hurado, Mamo, Sir Daniel, Ma'am Dali, and of course, SK Chairman, Ma'am Yana.
Sa Barangay Council natin, maraming salamat po.
At sa lahat ng mga councilor, ang Team Action Agad. And of
Yes.
course, sa ating Mayor, Joy Del Monte, and
Joy.
Vice
At
Mayor, Gian Soto.
And now, Charming Princess Manresa 2025 is candidate number... Muli sa Saturday, manood kayo ng Mutya ng Manresa. Ayan ha, supportahan nyo po yun yung pinaka-last event natin. Alright. Charming Princess Manresa 2025 is you, candidate number... Candidate number 6.
Candidate number 2. And after that, take a picture po tayo sa lahat ng mga
Congratulations
nanalo.
sa mga nanay.
Together with judges and to all Bicolanos Livelihood Cooperative.
Ayan, pumunta kayo dito lahat, guys. And of course, ang ating grand champion ay syempre, kokoronahan din ng ating Miss Manresa 2024, si Rita. It's me.
Ay, happy